Okay, it's Fat Stormtrooper from Dark Gaming. I'm going to unbox some Gargoyle crates. I've got 12 of them, and I'll click on this one, open with a key, see what's happened. You could get some quite interesting items in these ones. Smoky sombrero, but gifted pole. So basically, the catastrophic companions were something, and the arachnoids aspect, dead or alive crusaders, the grim tweeter, the iron lung, the bargain becorn, and I mean really, it wasn't a bad update at all. It was a little, I think it was a little bit light on, but I mean the prehistoric pullover, some people like that. But I don't. This was a little bit of a light on update as far as I was concerned. Anyway, let's have a look here. Oh, it's a reboot, and it's a strange count transfer tool. Oh, look at that! Bargain and breeches. Like a pirate thing. Arr. That makes a scout into a cabin boy. The face of mercy. Well, yeah. What else we got in here? El Patron. Let's have a look. What do we got? The thrilling tracksuit. Oh, duck-billed platypus, but no unusual qualities. I actually have one unusual one. This is a Starmstorm Insomnia. The helmet. Prehistoric pullover, but nothing unusual as yet. We haven't got much time to earn one. That's a strange duckbill platypus as opposed to just a normal quality. But the question is, can we take home anything worthwhile? Tracksuit. Not a freaking gifter pult. Okay. So, let's have the next one here. Open with a key. Yep, I'm sure. Yeah. Okay, so basically I think what this has been telling us is the so-called gifter pults. The gifter pults, these ones here. What we could always mean is maybe use them to give something away. So that's here. Use with. Stuff that I don't need, that I've got a few of. These still man-killed, dueling games. Yeah, that's one option. Oh, you know what? I can't use backpack expanders. Those, have I got them? I'll just have a look. What in the spirit of it, what I'll do is I'll give away... What the hell? some of this unusual shit. This thing here, the bonk leadwear. You go, yep, I'm going to wrapping your gift. The gift of it is pep to a random online player. Okay, resume game. So GIFT. So what do you do? So let's deliver the gift. Off it goes to Funzillion somewhere or other. Okay. Now let's go back to the items. Backpack. And let's use another gifter pult. And this one here, we'll use with, and then use it via a victory lap, dueling banjo, people. I'm just trying to think what please. Festivizer. Off it goes. And GIFT. Gift pulp. Oh, there it is. Deliver gift. Yay! Off it goes. Just a random online player. Okay, so there you go. Oh, I shall get rid of this one too. Use with yeah, off it goes. A couple of things, just off they go. Open backpack. And GIFT. And off it goes. Yay! The guillotine god. Okay, that's the unboxing session, and I flung a few things around. Peace out.